She has conquered the concert stage, television, silver screen, and even the airwaves. Her vocal prowess still unparalleled. After 20 years, the simple Bulaqueña who is proud of her humble beginnings is now a legend. And because her fame transcends time, she continues to inspire and influence a legion of followers from all walks of life. People who embrace everything she puts a trademark on, thus giving birth to a new facet of Philippine pop culture called the songbird craze. Her hits are popular contest pieces of aspiring singers. Her identity served as an avenue for impersonators to break into the entertainment scene. Her distinct fashion sense was in itself an ever-evolving fad. Join us as we celebrate the success of a highly revered showbiz icon. Take a peek inside her controversial life behind the camera. Tonight, share an intimate moment with the Asia Songbird, only here on The Sweet Life.
Elegant but simple. These are the words that define Regine Velasquez pag ang pinag-uusapan mo ay fashion.
Yan naman. At ngayong gabi, aalamin natin kung bakit naging hit na hit. Hindi lang ang kanyang mga ni-record, kundi pati ang kanyang hairstyle, ang makeup, at clothes na pinauso niya. Di ba?
We are proud to have with us Asia Songbird, the one and only Miss Regine Velasquez. Hello! Meron siyang kasama. Maliit din. Her precious Shih Tzu, George! Hi, George!
George!
Si George nata ang pinakamabait na aso
Oo
na
nga.
nakilala ko. Kasi, di ba, Reg, nung nag-shoot tayo nung commercial natin,
Nasa isang tabi lang
Nasa
siya.
isang tabi
Good
lang siya.
evening sa inyong dalawa.
Good evening.
I'm very happy to be here. It's my first time. Congratulations sa inyong show.
finally
salamat.
talaga, alam mo ba, ang tagal na namin ikaw ang gustong mag-guest dito, but your schedule was,
Oo
if
nga,
did not
but,
permit,
Mabait nga si George, no? Mabait siya.
Chika, oo.
George, gusto mo sa
Tumatabi
akin?
na, tatabi lang yan sa'yo.
Bibigay ko na lang dito. Dito ko na lang talalagay.
Ayan.
Oo.
Oh.
Reg, you're really known for your fashion sense. Even when you were young, mahilig ka talaga sa clothes.
When I was younger, syempre, hindi ko alam yung fashion, no?
Yeah.
First of all, mahirap lang kami, so wala akong pambiling damit. So kung ano yung
Meron.
Kung ano yung meron, hindi kagandahan, yun lang yung isusuot ko, di ba? But habang tumatagal yung time, tumatagal ako sa business, natuto na ako. I used to just look at fashion magazines.
So ito parang acquired talaga. But
Acquired talaga.
I don't believe rin kasi na everything is acquired purely. You must have an innate fashion sense kasi
Siguro.
ang dami namang ang dami namang yung
Oo. Alam ko gusto mo ka na magsabi. Parang nahihirapan ka maging nice eh. Ako na. Alam mo, ang dami ng mga artista, tas ang baduy.
hindi
Ba?
hindi ang daming matagal ang daming matagal na sa industriya pero hanggang ngayon hindi
Baduy pa din.
hindi pa rin marunong magbihis o marunong kung ano yung
Match.
mag-work sa kanila. Kasi iba-iba eh, di ba?
Sexy and nice siya eh.
Oo, may mga tao na hanggang ngayon hindi nila alam kung ano yung bagay sa katawan
Basta
nila.
go lang ng go. Kung
Go
anong
lang ng
uso,
go.
go. Di ba?
Ako kasi, you have to know your body.
Oo.
You have to know your body kahit na pangit pakinggan, pero parang kailangan tignan mo sa mirror yung katawan mo.
Talaga, totoo.
And know what's good. What
What
looks
will work
good.
for you.
What will work for you.
Oo.
Like me, for instance, I have short legs, I have longer torso. So, I'm always in heels so that I can make that daya. Like, pagka naka-jeans ako,
Heels talaga.
naka-heels talaga ako. Para mukha akong longer. And I'm also short, so kailangan para mukha akong
But
mahaba.
see, hindi siya mukhang short. Short ka ba? What's your height
I'm
ba?
5'3". So,
But you look
maliit lang.
long. But she looks longer than
Oo,
that.
kasi nga I'm always wearing high heels. Kahit nung medyo hindi pa masyadong malaki yung kinikita ko at
You'd
hindi pa-
really spend on your shoes.
Oo, on my
high
shoes.
heels.
Kasi parang feeling ko, not so much on clothes, kasi ang clothes naman kahit na hindi masyadong mamahalin.
Oo.
Pero pagka yung sinamahan mo na ng projection,
Oo, tas magandang shoes.
maganda yung shoes mo, yun na yun.
Tsaka yung bearing nandun na.
Oo, kasama na.
So, dala ni Regine yung ibang sample niya ng clothes.
Yeah,
Ito
let's
yung
start with the
mga-
clothes.
Yes.
Ito yung mga apat sa
Favorite
mga
mo.
favorite kong gustong-gusto kong sinusuot.
So let's start doon sa brown na dress.
Yeah, yung brown and blue. Ganda yan, Reg.
Oo, para siyang handkerchief na dress. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga sundress. Yun talagang hilig ko. Kahit na lumalabas ako, yun bang wala lang, yung going out lang, manood ng sine or whatever. Tapos
Gusto ko
this
rin siya.
one,
Gusto ko yan, yung black na yan.
this
Parang
black
vintage.
one. Oo, at mukha siyang vintage. Pero sexy siya kasi medyo mababa yung
Maginoo na medyo bastos.
Yes. Very nice kasi I love mga little black dress.
Yes.
I love it.
A woman can never have
Yes.
enough little black dresses.
Kasi
no?
feeling ko, it's for any occasion.
Yes.
And any time of the day, it's okay to wear black. And
The
this
pink
other
one?
The pink one, I just wore in an award show. Awit Awards.
Yun yung sinuot mo sa Awit
Sa Awit
Awards.
Awards.
And ito,
This
it's
is
another Nicole Miller dress. no?
Gusto ko yan.
I love this.
Sana
I love
maiwan
this.
mo yan.
Hindi yan kasya sa'yo.
Bagay mo yan. Super
Pagkapayat
bagay
ko.
mo. Pero ang ganda nito, I love it.
Ganda talaga. You can wear it for day, for night.
For night, oo.
Beautiful.
At
So ano naman ang suot mo pag natutulog ka? Di ba? Lapit na. Konektado na yan eh.
Boxer shorts.
Boxer shorts. Kasi kailangan
Ni
talaga
alam niyo na kung
comfortable.
sino.
Reg, si Regine is also known for her beautiful shoes. I think in the industry you have, si Kristen has beautiful
Yeah.
shoes. But si Regine talaga, always rin beautiful yung... Always rin,
Parang dinaan-daanan ka lang. Para bang
always rin beautiful yung shoes.
Don't you?
And you're mahilig ka talaga sa Louis Vuitton, no? Na shoes.
Kasi alam mo, it's very weird. Kasi 'di ba ang Louis Vuitton, they're really known for their bags.
Yes.
Tapos parang people are actually parang surprised pagka sinabi ko, ang ganda ng sapatos mo, ano yan? Louis
Vuitton,
Vuitton.
oo.
Kasi
Bag lang siya.
oo, parang they're known for their bags at saka matibay talaga yung mga bags nila. But actually, I love their shoes kasi yung mga designs ng mga sapatos
Ibang
nila.
klase, no?
Ibang klase.
So, mas maluho ka sa shoes kesa bags. I mean, you
Kasi
buy
yung
shoes more
bags,
often.
parang, they're just parang little gifts for myself. I used to buy myself, every 2 months, I'd buy a Fendi bag. Kasi I'm a big fan of Fendi
Fendi,
also.
oo.
Would buy myself. Kasi
Ganda
parang
nga
I
na-
work so hard, Tapos, bibili ako ng Fendi. Recently lang ako na sa
Louis
LV.
Vuitton.
Kasi,
Nauna ka talaga sa shoes, sa Louis Vuitton.
oo. Kasi more than sa bag. Parang mas natuwa ako sa mga sapatos nila. Kasi pati ang namamahalan ako sa bag, parang ayaw pabili. Pero yung shoes, parang I still can afford. The bags are too expensive.
So ano naman
I
ang
think.
mabibigay mong tips sa mga expensive shoes? How to take good care of the expensive shoes?
Yes, how do you store all your shoes?
Alam mo, I've learned my lesson kasi I used to put them in yung boxes nila, no? And sometimes I forget. Kasi pagka hindi mo nakikita, you just
Nakakalimutan
mo eh. So it's better to store them na talagang
Nakikita
open,
lahat.
nakita lahat. And also kasi pagka yung hindi masyadong, pag laging nakatago, pag
Hindi
sa box,
nagagamit.
hindi nahahanginan, hindi nagagamit, nagka-crack yung mga
Oo nga,
yung
totoo.
leather, even your bags actually.
And the bags also dapat when you store it, di ba, dapat naka-stuff para hindi mawala yung shape.
Ako nga hindi ko nga nagagawa yun eh. But it's better to just, kasi di ba yung nilalagay natin sa supot?
Yeah.
It's better to just put them na ganun, na walang supot, walang anything. It's better. Kasi for yung leather,
Para.
I think kailangan ng humidity, di ba?
Okay, we will pause for a break but reserve your appetite because when we come back, Regine will cook a very special pasta dish just for us. Stay tuned.